Hello guys, welcome to another video for the channel. Today I'm gonna be replacing the transmission fluid from my Audi that is manual. Let's see how it goes. I got the tools right there. That's what I'm gonna be needing. I should use this for the transmission. And I got the pump and I got the rest of the tools over there. Let's see how it goes. Here previously I got this for the oil and this one. Let's see which one first. First thing first, we have to lift the car. We gotta place the jack in somewhere where the car doesn't get affected or damaged, anything. And remember guys, remember to have the handbrake on top so nothing happens, and if you can, first right there so the car doesn't move. Okay, it's very important that you guys take one of the nuts, the one that it goes here, the one that is to refill the transmission oil first, because if not, you guys, you won't be able to, in case that you are not able to take the nut out, you won't be able to refill it. So let's make sure to do it first and then the one that is on there. There we go. We got it. I lift the car up with those things. Yeah, it will hold. I'm pretty sure it will hold. It's strong. I have it before done. And this one, I only put a little one, but it has the other one. I'm pretty sure. And this is how it's supposed to go so far. And to change the transmission fluid, we gotta go under the car like by the passenger level and in the middle of the car. And we gotta find this one right there, and we have to tighten it up. I don't know, this for some reason is gonna be satisfied. Be careful, because if you have warm, I mean you have been using the car before, the oil is gonna be hot. Oh shit. And let's do it. And after that we're gonna put the car like the most level possible, because we don't want the transmission fluid from the old one stays in the transmission. So let's go. With this we ensure that all the transmission fluid comes out, the old one. I was reading that the torque for the nuts to put them back is between 35 and 45. I'm gonna do 40, so I stay in between. Now it's ready. Mine it's foots by pound, so in pound 40. Let's do it. Let's keep 40. Oh shit, I have it in the one side. Until it clicks. Right there. You guys hear it? It's 40. This is gonna be the easy part. Just you guys make sure that put the pump on the right side. Always the transmission fluid will go in that hole. I cannot really appreciate it, but that's the easy part. Remember, when you're filling it up, you will fill it up until it comes out. And if you see the liquid is coming out from the refill hole, and the car gotta be down. Already put it down. You guys will be using about 2,000 millimeters. You start to leak, and then you stop. When it stops leaking, you You put the nut again.
Ya usado, pestoso ese cabrón.
This is satisfying. Right there is enough. It's tripping now. Let's put the nut again and we ready to go. And right there, it's 40. That's good enough. After filling it up, I'm gonna press the clutch with the car off. Move first, second, third, fourth. Keep doing this. And we turn on the car a little bit. And we do it again. Put the car on. And yeah. Hopefully this video was so useful for anyone who is trying to change their fluids in their transmission. And if you guys want to learn something else, or like I explain better, you guys can type it in the comments. And please give me your likes, for that way you will be helping me so much. Thank you so much.